Hey guys, so Van Derpalot here. We just did new tires. We did BFG Goodrich KO2s. It worked out really well. Really grippy, really nice tires. So I want to show, we did, there's a good gap there. So these are 265/75 16s on stock OEMs, which is 16 inch by 6.5 inch, and they fit really well. It's a pretty common tire that everyone's using on rear wheel drives. So on these tires, on the 265s, I have zero rub, front and rear. They just fit perfectly and they ride really nice. And if you do end up getting BFG Goodrich, make sure you get 10 ply and not the 6 ply. The 10 plies last a lot longer, from what I understand. So yeah, it definitely made the stance a lot better. I think they ride really nice. I think they're gonna last a while, and honestly, I probably, if you have a 16, like an aftermarket wheel, like a 16/8, you probably could have, gotten by with like a 275, like a 275/70 16. I know some people do 17-inch rims on these. Personally, I like a wider wall, more tire. I think that's a little bit better of a setup. But let me show you the stance on these. So they just work really well. Yeah, they fit really well. I don't know if I can get up in here. I spectrumed the inside of the wheel well too, which is nice. Makes it all black. And a bit of sound ending in it too. But yeah, great tread, awesome tires. And of course, if you paint the wheels, which we will be doing, paint them black, it's much nicer. But honestly, I think the coolest setup, on the rear wheel drives, be like a 16/8 with like a 275 on it. And that way you get a little bit more pop out on them. These, you really don't get much of anything. So like a 16/8 wheel, which would be really nice. Really like the Black Rhino Arsenals, and a 275, which I think will take probably a little bit of trimming, but I think with the 8-inch diameter wheel, I think with a stretch on it, I think it'll fit. You can do the calculators all day long, but until you actually do it, that's when you know. So yeah, I just wanted to update everyone and let them know. 265/75 16s. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. That's a pretty big tire. And these again are the BFG Goodrich all-terrain KO2s. Looks pretty cool.